Hi guys! Like always, I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to Word Work. I'm going to be teaching the word work for this week also. This week we're not focusing on prefixes. I want you to take a look at these words here, and I want you to see how they are similar. We've talked about these types of words before. Do you remember what these words are called? Take a minute to think. Now that you've had a second to guess, did you remember that these words are called homophones? I know that if we were in the classroom, there would be hands up everywhere. So go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back if you remembered that. And if you didn't remember that, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back anyway for trying. A homophone pair is two words that sound the same but are spelled different and have different meanings. The important focus for this week is to learn which spelling goes with the correct meaning. Now let's practice. We're going to take a look at our first homophone pair. Our words are berry and berry. Now this berry is like when a dog buries a bone in the backyard. Now this berry is like a strawberry. Both of these words sound identical when you're saying them, but the meanings are very different. For our words this week, we want to make sure that you know which meaning goes with each spelling. Your first job is to copy each word into your notebook and then draw a sketch or write the meaning of each word next to it. Have an adult check to make sure that you are correct. You can also check the answer key for any that you are having trouble with. Then I want you to participate in 2 other activities this week. And that's the end of this lesson. If you need to, you can pause the video and watch it again. Thanks for listening!